your bird, sir. Yeah, I can hold this one. But that one's too big. Shake it like this.
Make sure you take a picture.
It's cool, bro. We're good.
Eric.
We're good.
Yeah.
Hey, this bird's heavy, you know.
Yeah, see, look. Yeah, exactly. See, look. When he start looking at your face and start pecking it with his
Bro,
beak,
he's looking at you, bro.
he ain't looking. Oh, yeah.
He's looking at you. All right, we're good now.
What?
Don't look at it.
What do you say?
You might attack the little one if you get it too close.
Yeah, don't.
Don't bring it
Oh.
too close.
All right, all right.
Okay,
All right, get this shit.
thank you.
The fuck you mean it might attacked it?
Thank you.
Bro, why do you say that so calmly?
Beef. Looks like beef.
That's lamb skewers.
Lamb? What is that? Is that a bone?
Marrow.
Is that a bone?
Bone marrow.
Bone marrow.
What's that?
Get the spoon.
Stuff inside the bone. It's good for you.
I never had a bone before. Ooh, what the hell?
It's the marrow. That's what's inside your bone.
It's an actual bone, though.
Yeah, that's the stuff that's inside your bones. It's bone marrow.
My bone?
Every bone.
Is it
marrow.
healthy?
It's good for you.
It is. It tastes like butter.
Head of a sheep.
A sheep. A head of a sheep?
Okay, show you. I'll cut it in pieces for you.
Is this the meat part?